Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's about to go
Down. Yes.
Now we're joined by one of Jamaica's most respected journalists, Miss Janet Silvera, and she's joining us to talk about her new venture. It's a dating site called Firestick.
Yes.
Not Firestick,
No.
but Firestick.
Yes.
Which is right on time for Valentine's Day. I got a message from you in donor room saying I'm looking extra spiffy today.
So she ready for your fire stick. All
Ready.
right.
So Miss Silvera, I am ready.
Hi, Janet.
Hello, my darling. The tone look nice. See if men know me that wear red.
Thank you so
And
much.
me tell her, I said, I want change, because me don't know if I might find somebody on this program.
Listen,
I'm looking for somebody too, on fire stick.
you're always beautiful, okay? So you
My
don't even have to
sweetheart.
wear red, right? And Janet, we have so many questions for you.
Yeah.
So many. So we're going to start with this. How it is that you actually ended up setting up this site, Firestick. How this started?
Well, I was approached by a man who is divorced. He has been trying to find a partner for a while, maybe a few years, but he has not been very lucky, he would say. And so, owing to the fact that I'm always talking about relationships, always into these types of conversations on Facebook. So he approached me and he said, why don't you start a dating site for people like me? I never really took him seriously, to be honest with you, but he called me back the very next day and said, listen, I am not joking about it, I have been trying to find me a mate for the longest while and it's just not happening. I think we need to start something. In addition to that, several women, several of my female friends, we shouldn't go so fast. I have been trying to find somebody.
What?
Yes.
Don't you waste time.
And look for me. Only look for me good.
May I tell you?
No, tell me, why a woman like me shouldn't find a good man?
I agree.
I have
So wait, did your friend, your male friend, who we're clearly not going to say his name, right?
We won't.
Did he eventually find someone?
No, he hasn't found anyone yet. But he
Can-
has been waiting on me to start the site. You know something?
Can I ask this?
He was the first person I called. He was at our launch. He's going speed dating this evening because we're doing speed dating with First Dance Studios here in Mobile. And he's coming to speed dating. And he's signing up on the site.
Is it that he couldn't find anybody or the persons he was meeting, they weren't suitable for him?
They weren't suitable, right?
Okay. Okay, I understand.
As far as I'm concerned.
I understand no. I understand no.
Difference. No, it's the same difference. It's the same problem I've been having.
True.
It's the same issues I have been having.
All right, so you bring why? What are things now? Okay, one, you said there's speed dating this evening. Okay.
Yes.
What is speed dating? Before I come back to something you just said a while ago.
What it does, it allows you to link up with. If you're a male, you link up with a female, and you sit down and you talk for like 15 minutes, and you get to know each other. Then you move on to a next person, and goes right around the room. So we're doing speed dating in Montego Bay.
Look at Dr. face. He's like, I get to move on to the next one.
Sign me up. Sign.
I can get Jordan Marie Smith to sign you up. Yes.
The name Firestick, interesting. Lots of things come to mind, right? And especially in my mind.
Yeah, why that name? Why that name?
Well, it's a Jamaican one, and I wanted this site to be as Jamaican as possible. I didn't really succeed in getting it to be as Jamaican as it should be because the site was created by a European company.
Okay.
So, but it is a Jamaican that's doing the site. And
Wonderful.
it is Jamaicans that we're catering to. And people out of the Caribbean as well as people in the diaspora. So we'll get there, but we just started. So Firestick, where that came from. For me, old Firestick,
Easy
part of the whole thing. Two, it is a game that I played as a child. Hot fire, who to cool it. So In addition to that, I believe that Jamaicans are hot-blooded and a warm set of people. So it was easy for me to come up and, you talk about your fire stick that, say your thing that. Your partner.
All right. Earlier, Janet, a lot of things going through your mind, right? Earlier, you mentioned that your friend, he was meeting people, but he wasn't finding what he was looking for. And that's one of the challenges you are facing.
Yeah.
So it makes me wonder now, right? Especially with your experience in talking about relationships, creating this site. What are men looking for in a woman? And what are women looking for in a man? Also, yes.
Yeah, I think that's going to have to be general because I think for everybody wants
different,
something.
But I also would like to know what our friend is looking for.
Happy. Thank you for answering that one for me.
I want to know what
looking
your
for
friend.
different type of things.
Right.
When I'm involved with a man, I look for headspace more than anything else. I must be honest with you. I have to be able to have conversation, good conversation that stimulates me. I'm attracted to the brain. The man doesn't necessarily have to be all that great. His body must look good, but not fussy. You understand me? And I used to, when I was younger, I used to say that the man had to have a good
fire stick.
Yeah. And that the man had to be this and smell good and all of that. At my age, I'm not that choosy anymore.
It was a good fire stick. I told you. Okay. Janet, for the site, is there an age limit?
18 to 80.
18 to 80. Yeah.
Yeah. We're catering to all ages.
That would be very interesting.
All
Speed
dating sites. Well, I mean, not all, because you have some that will not go under 50. Some of the dating sites are for adults only.
Right.
Our site is for everybody who wants to find a mate.
Okay.
All right. Like we have a co-host.
Listen.
Can
I leave her alone? Quickly.
You know what? Nisha, our co-host, right? She's looking for a new partner.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Where can she go to sign up?
www.firestick.com. Let's spell Firestick for the persons out there. It's FIYAH. Fire Stick.
Is it free? Is it free?
No, it's not free. We will do a 3-day trial for free.
Right.
But we have different packages, like a premium.
Right.
We have a standard.
Right.
We have another one. Oh, there you go. FIYAH, firestick.com. Ignite your flame. And you know, say Jamaicans at peak. So we want to ignite that flame that's inside of them.
Auntie Janet, thank you for joining us. We will be signing up.
It's a pleasure.
We'll be signing up Nisha for the premium package.
Please
so
do.
wait, everybody will leave me out though.
I don't know why.
I don't know why. It's okay.
You have somebody.
No, thank you for the address. I will check it out later. Since I have to do everything
So
on
she
my
asked a question,
own,
you know, answer.
right? Since me have to do everything. And then later on we talk about the bachelor who don't find nobody yet. So we'll talk about him in the break.
One a 3-day trial, a 3-day trial.
All right, guys, Daytime Live will be right back. And remember to check out firestick.com. In the meantime, maybe we'll soon forward.
Fire Stick.